Now to Washington, where the Supreme Court heard arguments over a deal that would give money to victims of the opioid epidemic, but shield the family who created Oxycontin from future lawsuits. Kate Snow has the story.
This abuse of bankruptcy.
They are one of the most infamous families in America, with their role in creating Purdue's popular painkiller Oxycontin, the subject of popular shows and movies.
It's so poison, Billy.
What's that?
That's all this is. So poison.
Today, the Supreme Court hearing arguments over a bankruptcy court deal that shields the Sackler family from future liability from lawsuits in exchange for paying $6 billion to help victims of the opioid crisis.
What it means is that the family members cannot be sued civilly by anybody, even those who disagreed with the settlement. So that's the issue before the Supreme Court.
The deal took years to craft and was approved by a lower court. Lawyers for the Justice Department today arguing that since the company filed for bankruptcy, but not members of the Sackler family, the Sacklers should not be protected from lawsuits.
It would raise serious due process concerns and Seventh Amendment concerns.
The justices appeared conflicted, expressing both reservations about the deal and concerns about overturning it.
It's overwhelming, the support for this deal, among people who think that the Sacklers are pretty much the worst people on earth. They've negotiated a deal which they think is the best that they can get.
Ellen Isaacs does not think it's the best deal they can get. She and her son Ryan were both Oxycontin users. He died of an overdose 5 years ago. She wants those who've suffered to be able to sue the Sacklers.
You've done this to our families. You've killed our children. You've created all kinds of mental health problems across the entire country, and it's just wrong, and you need to finally step up.
A Supreme Court decision is expected in the coming months. Kate Snow, NBC News.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.